Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I will guide you through a simple yet essential process, how to restrict access to a file on Google Drive using your mobile device. Whether you want to keep your files private, first, open the Google Drive app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the Files tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll through your files and find the one you want to share. After that, tap the three-dot menu icon next to the file. Following this, select Manage Access from the options. Now tap on Change to adjust the sharing settings. Next, click on the icon that allows you to select the access level. Finally, select Restricted to limit file access only to specific people you choose. That's it. By following these steps, you can ensure your files stay private and secure on Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.